people, welcome to Cooking WW TV show.
We will mention the main process, the primary treatment, where the participant will talk about each of the process, the advantages and disadvantages, and the base will have a price that will be mentioned at the end of the program. Primary treatments are those that remove suspensories from the wastewater. The main physical chemical process that can be included in the primary treatment are the following: sedimentation, flotation, flocculation, and filtration. The objective of primary treatment is varied. Since it can consist of regular pH, temperature, color, reduction of suspensories, removal of floating matter, and elements that can affect the next treatment stage.
The participants are Welcome to back, Claudia Bamon.
Hi Johan, my name is Laura. I am going to explain about the sedimentary process. So, the primary sedimentation consists in the gravity separation of the suspended solids, where was the greater than of the water for a period of 0.5 to 3 hours. It's very common the sedimentation process occurs of the H stage, the treatment train, and sometimes this work is used for the removal of sands, oils, fats, and the suspended matter. The sludge of the primary process are again the trade later and in the treatment train. The primary sedimentation is a unitary process designed to remove organic suspended solids from the water. Okay, so example of the sedimentary process is the rice or with water. And so rice sediment in the water. So this advantage of the sedimentation process is low-cost water treatment technology.
Hi, Brittany Beach, how are you?
Hi Johan, my name is Britney Spears and I'm going to talk to you about flotation in the primary system. So Johan, I want to tell you that the flotation is a process that separates the low density of the soils and the liquids, the particles that are from the liquid phase. So the ingredients for today are lentils, water, but we need to put the water in boiled water. So I want to tell you that this liquid phase undergoes in a pressurization process that is achieved is to be into the from 2 in a range of 2 and 4 atmosphere. So with this experiment with the lentils, I'm gonna show you how the solids are gonna float thanks for the bubbles that are going to occur with the boiled water. So what happened in this process is that they introduce a gas. Usually it's gonna be like air into the liquid phase, and that makes like form some bubbles. So I'm gonna show you the experiment with the lentils and the water what is going to happen in the process of flotation. Sorry, flotation. I'm reading. So we can see here with the water there are some a process of flotation with the lentils. So when we put the lentils in the water and the bubbles, we're gonna see a better process of the flotation because they're gonna be going up with this process. Here is the process. So we're gonna wait in the moment of where the water is gonna have when we have boiling water.
Hello Hassan, how are you?
And training plant. In the primary training using coagulation and flocculation. In the dish we use the coagulation process using gelatin, in which it allows to increase the tendency of the particles joining and precipitating faster. In this coagulant help has to have a bigger precipitation of many particles in our plate, such as colloidals, which are a small substance that don't settle quickly and cannot be removed by filtration. Additionally, we are going to use this mass transfer reaction on our plate. Number 1. Destabilize the particles and interaction of the pollutant and coagulant and favoring the grouping of particles. The variables to take into account in the treatment of the water for our dish are coagulant dosage, alkalinity, pH, generate particle concentration and solubility of the compounds formed. The types of coagulant that we can use are aluminum sulfate, ferrous sulfate, and ferric sulfate, and the others, depending on the type of water and range of pH 5 to 9.5 and the dose. We use physical agitation by promoting particle shock to flux to allow the growth, and agglomeration, newly formed flux, in order to increase the size and weight needed to easily settle. Types of flocculation on our plate: kinetic peric flocculation, natural movement water molecules and is induced by thermal energy. And number 2, orthokinetic flocculation. It is based on particles collisions due to water movement, which is induced by an energy outside the water mass and which can be of the mechanical or hydraulic origin. Have the following parameters: orthokinetic flocculation, speed gradient, number collisions, retention time, density and flocculation size, and slush volume. the flocculant using mineral flocculants as silica and natural organic flocculants such as natural polymers by animals or vegetable substance. And the advantage of our dish are is separate main types of particles from water and improve the filtration process. Disadvantage of our dish are a system minimums is required and the use of chemicals is required.
Kunai Suso.
Hello people, welcome to Suso's show. Today when we talk about the infiltration process that is the ingredients for today. Okay, my people go with the process. Filtration is the final, the primary treatment. What does is the concept of? AC people. Okay, the filtration is the operation is which water is the passed out. Our pore is medium with the other phase the rectinic or is the of the suspense because it's very important the primary treatment. Okay. And the traditional used powers is medium is a bit of variably high. The filtration range depends on the size of membranes, are microfiltration, ultrafiltration, and nanofiltration. The frontal filtration when is liquid on the water that contact is the membrane is for a porous target for the water and to the finish well blend all the ingredients it is a very difficult is reset